Damon, what do you have to say about the Twitter ban in Nigeria by the federal government of Nigeria?
Hey, Twitter ban by the federal government of Nigeria. No. I don't want to involve myself in this matter. I don't want to involve myself in this matter. One, anything I say now can be used against me, and before you know it, I can be banned too. So allow me. But come to think of it, why are we even discussing Twitter now? Is Twitter our major problem in this country, Nigeria? Haba, even if the federal government we think is not going the way we should go, we should be humans too now. Because the way we are doing us to ourselves, we are heartless, we are evil. Did you know that day before yesterday, 88 people were killing KB? 88. But the whole social media were discussing about Twitter. Nobody was sympathizing towards what happened to our brothers in KB. Nobody is talking about this insecurity that is people are killing. In fact, something even in Oyo, I think there is one village in Oyo, they kill people, massacre people there. But everybody is just talking about Twitter. What has happened to our consciousness? Why are we so hard? Our politicians have turned us to something else, and it's not supposed to be so. Our humanity should be first. When something happened to somebody or any person, whichever region, we should be sympathetic. We should understand that it is bad.
But Damon, do you not think that if Twitter were to be around, people will have amplified and propagated the information you are talking about KB and other places?
Yes. People would have talked. Seriously, people would have talked. But you see, there is a misunderstanding somewhere. Maybe Twitter and the federal government will come and sit and understand themselves well. Because Twitter said they didn't even know that he's our president. They didn't know who he is. They didn't know he's a president. So now they will know that he's a president, and they will sit and discuss with the president. Before they were thinking he's an ordinary man like me and you. Now they know he's a president. So possibly they will discuss. But I don't support Twitter ban. I will never support it. Because that is an opportunity where youth take advantage of it to make money. That is a place where people interact. Because freedom of speech, I appreciate it.
Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. Damon.
Yes.
You said that's an avenue youth used to express themselves. But our president is a youth.
Our president is an elder. Is an elder. In fact, our president is our grandfather. Not only a father, our president is a grandfather. So anything that is happening now, I think we need to be understanding with him, because this Twitter something, and the president, I am sure the president is not the one that tweeted. Somebody tweeted on his behalf, and then the president should just fire that person, and Twitter should continue. That person should just be fired and let us continue. Yes.